Choosing the right bag for long-term survival isn't just about size, it's about functionality, durability, and comfort. Let's break down what to look for in the ultimate survival bag. First, prioritize durability. Your bag should withstand harsh conditions, so look for materials like high denier or high-density weave, nylon, or canvas. You will still need to balance the weight of the bag versus a less durable bag with lower denier that is lighter weight and easier to carry. Oh, and waterproofing is a must for unpredictable weather. Next, focus on capacity. Long-term survival requires space for essentials like food, water, and tools. A 40 to 60 liter bag is ideal for balancing storage and portability. Comfort is non-negotiable. Padded straps, adjustable hip belts, and a breathable back panel will make carrying heavy loads manageable. Organization is key. Choose a bag with multiple compartments for easy access to gear. Features like mole webbing can expand storage and adaptability. Finally, consider your specific needs. Do you commute in urban areas or trek through rural landscapes? Tailor your choice to your environment. A great survival bag isn't just about looks, it's about reliability when it matters most. Choose wisely and your bag will be a trusted partner in any emergency. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.